In today's fast-growing aluminum recycling industry, the quality of recycled metal is more important than ever. And that starts with clean, paint-free cans. Used beverage cans, UBCs, often come with coatings and printing inks that can reduce the value of the recycled metal or create impurities during smelting. That's why decoating, the process of removing paint from aluminum cans, has become a crucial step in modern recycling operations. But how do you remove the paint efficiently, cleanly, and without losing metal content? That's where our UBC decoating furnace comes in. Our decoating equipment offers high paint removal rate, ensuring better quality aluminum. Low oxidation loss, keeping your metal yield high. Energy-efficient design, saving fuel and cutting emissions. Continuous operation, suitable for large-scale recycling. And of course, a clean aluminum output ready for high-value reuse. So if you're looking to boost the value of your recycled cans and stay competitive in the aluminum recycling business, it's time to take decoating seriously. Ready to upgrade your UBC recycling line? Contact us today and see the difference a clean can make.